All right, so let's work with page 2 then on the topographic map quiz and see if we can help you out. All right, so everything is going to be, except for 1 through 4 here, everything else is going to deal with the map below. So let's just look quickly at the vocabulary. This should go pretty quickly. Topography is C, the shape and size of land features on Earth's surface. Now, we didn't really go over relief very much, but we can use the process of elimination to determine what relief is. So let's go down to the other two that we did work with. Number 3, index contour. That is the thick contour line that has the elevation level written on it. And those are usually every 5th line on a topographic map. We covered those pretty extensively, so 3 is D. And we also found 2 different slopes in our book from some maps there. So slope is actually a measurement of the steepness from one point to another. So 4 is A. So process of elimination says C, D, A. That means number 2 is B. Now, let's go to the map. I'm going to see if I can move. Yep, I can. I'm going to move me over this way to get out of the way a little bit. All right, so here's the map that we're working with. The first question here is how many maps are, or how many mountains rather are on this map? Well, it tells you right here, Rock Mountain. There are no other mountains anywhere around here. And you can tell that because this is the only, this is the smallest closed contour line on the map. That tells you that's where the mountain is. So there's 1 mountain on this map. So right here, 1. What is the contour interval for this map? Well, find 2 numbers and subtract and then divide if you need to. But in this case, you don't need to. Look, they give you 900 right here. The very next line up, they also give you 1,000. So every line is 100. So there's your contour interval right there. Every line is 100. Now, they don't say, I don't believe anyway, feet or miles or, okay, or meters. Nope, so you are just 100. That's all you got. You don't have to say feet or miles. You can just pick whichever one you'd like. On the map, put an arrow showing the way the water is flowing. Well, the water is right here, Fish Creek. Now, your contour lines are making V's at the river, and the V's always point in the uphill direction. So uphill is this way. So you should be drawing your arrow back downhill to show me how the river is flowing. Finally, label the steeper side of the mountain on the topographic map. As we said before on page 1, the further apart your topographic lines or your contour lines are on a topographic map, the gentler the slope. So the closer together they are, the steeper the slope. And the closest they are on this mountain are going to be right over here. So you're going to highlight this area and say this is the steepest. All right, that's your help for page 2.